Okay, so I need my DS Lite repaired. So what better place to get it repaired than Nintendo, of course. So I'm on the Nintendo website, and where do you go for repairs? Well, maybe hardware. Okay, no, so it's probably at the bottom, since yep, we're here, repair. So just go to repair. Just wait for this to load. Start a repair because I need my DS repaired. Set up a repair, blah blah blah. This just gives some instructions. No links or how to. It just complete the suggested troubleshooting stuff. Doesn't say where to find it or doesn't give a link. But repairing old. Yes, I am indeed repairing a DS. And that is an old console, so. Where can I find refurbished older used Nintendo products? Oh, I'm not looking for refurbished. I am looking for repairs. I know where to find refurbished ones. If I wanted to, I'd go on Facebook Marketplace or eBay or somewhere else. Repairing or replace. Yeah, I get it. It says or replacing, and so yeah, in that case, yeah. But this doesn't. Nowhere in here does this mention repair. Look, like the only place where it mentions repairs is here and here. Okay, start a repair, I guess. Oh, okay, complete the suggested troubleshooting steps that apply to your system issue. Well, dead pixels and broken hinges, they aren't going to be fixed unless you take it apart. Agree to Nintendo's online terms and conditions. Where? Complete or log into your repair profile. Where is your repair profile? So we can securely communicate with you about your issue. Oh, okay. So what if I just, go to here? Am I supposed to log in? Yeah, okay, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna log in real quick. 1 second. Okay, so I signed in. You can see I'm on, in America's, I'm assuming like North America. Support.nintendo.com. Okay. So it said to go to my profile. So where in here? Just go back, okay? Where was the thing at? Nintendo. It is a Nintendo DS family system. Set up a repair for my Nintendo product. That's what I want to do. Complete the suggested troubleshooting. Blah, blah, blah. Agree Nintendo's online repair terms and service. Is this referring to create or log in your repair profile? So okay, enter your serial number. Enter my serial number where? Where? In here? Okay, this is getting started. Okay, transfer games and save data. Not exactly what I'm looking for. From a first time setup, that won't fix my broken hinge. Repairs? Check repair status. Well, this doesn't seem to be too useful since I'm trying to set up a repair. Also, wow, great web design. Forgetting to hide the file extension, I can tell you guys care a lot about how your website looks. Okay. So, repairing? Yes, I am indeed repairing. But this page is just refurbished. Okay, where do I go? I can't figure out older systems. Game & Watch, is that referring to the... please say you're not referring to the actual old Game & Watches. There's some troubleshooting maybe in here. Using and troubleshooting, I mean. Getting started, system settings. Nope, not what I'm looking for. System will not turn on. How to connect to the internet. How to change your user. Touch screen doesn't respond. Okay, maybe in here it'll say, "Hey, start an order with us." Okay. Nintendo refurbishes. Okay. Nintendo's no longer offering repairs to Nintendo DS. Why are you just now here saying that? If Nintendo is no longer offering repairs to Nintendo DS, why then, when I go to start repair, does it say? Why does it say, "Hey, you can do a repair"? Just in here. Oh, It was so the problem is no longer offering repairs. So if none of it's evolved, it's time to replace your system. Wow. Thanks. Not even mentioning that there's third-party companies. Nintendo refurbishing that's only refurbishing products in the market have been clean tested and inspected to high standards. Why are you bragging to me about how good you guys repair if you don't repair anymore? So great, I wasted all of this time because it's apparently too hard to edit your website to say we don't repair DSs anymore, and I'm just thrown in a loop when I'm trying to do this. It's like repair, okay, older system, oh okay. So I guess you could say, oh, they no longer talks about repairs because they don't repair anymore. So then edit this link to say replacing, or in here say, hey, we don't repair it. It just says, oh yeah, you can get some repairs off online retailers. You know, chaptersindia.ca. I don't know if that's a place in Canada. I don't live in Canada. Yeah, Dell, they fix DSs all the time. So, Nintendo, please fix your website. Also, oh my god, update your website. This thing looks straight out of 2013. This looks horrible. Okay, what if I turn Dark Reader off? This looks even worse. Update your website. Oh my god. Okay, so I tried, I'm not gonna show search results, but I tried looking for places to repair my DS. Like other places, but I couldn't. There's no local places because what local place repairs DSs? Tried finding business, it's like, oh no, sorry. All the search results only repair 3DSs. And it's like, great. I have a limited edition DS. I kinda want that fixed. I kinda really like it. It's kinda like my DS, it's kinda a little special to me. I kinda like it. I want that repaired. I don't want to replace a limited edition. I want it repaired, not replaced. But no, I'm gonna have to get a new limited edition. And then what am I supposed to do with my old one? Just have two? Nintendo, you guys, fix. Oh my god.